My family has a genetic form of frontal temporal dementia. I had to move her into assisted living in her current town about a year ago. And of course, she started having trouble using her remote, using her phone, computer, all those things. And having the chance to put her favorite channels right there front and center in big icons has enabled her to take control of her TV watching. And she's now watching all kinds of Hallmark movies and enjoying her evening in her recliner. And it's just given her more freedom and autonomy. And if she's struggling to find her channels still, it just gives me a little bit easier options for helping direct her to what she should click on. So it has given me a great deal of comfort and peace not to have that stress, because caregiving is stressful enough. And that allows her to communicate with her daughter and her 2 little grandsons and request her daughter send her more pictures of the grandkid. And if we want to edit that, that's really simple. I just think it's wonderful.